The new headlights are finally here. Time to switch out the stock retrofitted headlights for them. Now these are the DNA Motoring brand dual under slash headlights. Go ahead and peel them down. I was going to get the tinted ones, but since I like to see at night, I went ahead and got the clear ones. Let's go ahead and put them on. I'm not really going to show how to do it. It's really simple. So let's cut to that. So once I got the wrapper off, looks like I have some corner damage on these. You can see a bit of a cardboard box in it. I'll have to message the company and hopefully they'll send out a new one. But here's an issue I found. This little notch here, let me go in. That hits and does not line up. So what we'll have to do is notch this. So what we'll do is just cut that out. Might grab a drill bit and then just slide it back. I'll just mark it with a Sharpie. Alright, so I want to circle this. There's nothing really behind it. And as you can see, I'm just using a stepper bit. Slowly working our way higher and higher. So it does look like I'm going to have to retrofit these as well to use one ground instead of two. And I'm not going to do that until I message the company about that broken chipped corner. So I'm going to pick this up as soon as I hear back from them. Wish me luck.
Eventually.
So since a second ago where I found the issue and till now, it's been probably, I wanted to say a couple weeks, but I think it's been about a month. So here's a bit of an update. The company refused to send out a replacement for that headlight. Apparently they can't do it for just one. They don't have any support, I guess, and so they just gave me a partial refund. I might be able to fix it myself, but right now they're on the car. I went ahead and did the mod to them to make them work. Instead of doing the crimp, I did solder them. I removed both of them. I have pin removal tools. Cut one, then cut the other one, and just kind of braided them in together. Made it a stronger connection than the crimp. But with that, I guess let's just go ahead and check out what they look like. So inside, I went ahead and just mounted this here for now. I don't really care about where that was. Went ahead and drilled out these points because that's obviously an issue. Same on this side. Just went ahead and drilled that out and attached it. So of course the car's dirty right now because I haven't washed it in a bit, but the headlights do look pretty good and you can't really tell the issue. I mean, it's right there. In the end, I might go ahead and replace the whole lens with the other one I have, if that's possible with this. So with that, I really don't have too much more to say. I don't think I'd recommend buying it from the DNA Motoring. They just weren't good at customer service, and I don't know. The headlights look good, and they're the ones I've really kind of always wanted since I got the Focus. So I do like them, but they of course need to get some work done. So I guess I hope you guys liked the video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe if you aren't, and I guess we'll see you guys next time. Bye.